In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. If you're receiving WhatsApp alerts from your Hostinger account and you'd prefer to turn them off, this is a very quick setting to change. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can update your notification preferences without any confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as usual. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile and settings are accessible. This is important because notification preferences are managed from your personal account settings, not from an individual hosting plan page. After that, look for your profile section. In most cases, you'll find it by clicking the profile icon or account area, usually located near the top of the dashboard. Go ahead and open that menu. Then select the option related to your profile. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account preferences, including how you receive updates and alerts. Once you're in the profile area, find and click Notification Settings. This section controls the different ways Hostinger can contact you, so if you've been getting messages through WhatsApp, this is exactly where you need to be. Take your time here and look through the available notification options carefully. Inside Notification Settings, you should see the WhatsApp notification option with a checked box or enabled selection next to it. To disable WhatsApp notifications, simply unmark that check. If there is more than one WhatsApp-related option visible, make sure you uncheck the ones you no longer want enabled. The key idea here is that any checked WhatsApp notification setting will continue sending alerts, so removing those checks will stop them. After unchecking the WhatsApp options, it's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that the settings now reflect your preference. Some platforms save changes automatically, while others may require you to confirm or save before leaving the page. If you see a Save button, make sure to click it so your changes are applied properly. And that's it. That's how to disable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. It only takes a minute, and it's a useful adjustment if you want fewer messages or prefer to receive updates through other channels instead.